Hello, my name is Juan. Thank you for your interest in teaching for the Los Angeles Unified School District. As part of your onboarding, you will be required to live scan for Los Angeles Unified School District. You have two choices for employment fingerprints. If you wish to fingerprint at the district's headquarters on Beaudry Avenue in downtown LA, you can visit the following link. If you prefer, we do offer the opportunity for candidates to fingerprint at a third-party site closer to your home. If you wish to fingerprint at a third-party site, this video will walk you through the process. To begin, let us visit the following link. This link will bring you to the Applicant Services main page where you will select the green button labeled Credentialed School Employee. This will allow you to obtain fingerprints for the purpose of employment. It is important that you make the proper selection, as each button will provide different printing results. If you mistakenly select the incorrect print button, you will need to reprint and an additional fee may be required at your own expense. Once you have made your selection for printing, you will encounter the user validation screen. Please enter a personal email that you have immediate access to and click Proceed to continue. You will receive an email from support@biometricsforall.com with the subject line of applicantservices.com login code. If you do not receive your email, please check your spam box. In the email, you will find a 6-digit login code. Enter the 6-digit code and click Proceed. On the next screen, you will complete the registration form. You will notice that most boxes have been pre-selected or filled in for you. Please complete the remaining highlighted boxes. Under school name, please enter the name of your school. Or, if you are a substitute teacher, enter substitute teacher. In step 3, you will select your live scan location by inputting your address of your area of choice. Please note, this is a third-party, nationwide live scan fingerprint database and not associated with the LAUSD. Therefore, we ask that you call and screen your nearby print sites prior to making any selection. Your selection for print site must be made from this database and located in the state of California for us to be able to receive and verify your print results. Once you have determined your print site, please click on the print site location name. This will generate a Schedule Appointment button. Click on the Schedule Appointment button and select the day and time for printing. If the day and time for printing that you would like is not in bold, it is either booked or a day when the print site is closed. Once you have selected your preferred date and time for printing, you will need to watch a 5-minute instructional video in order to be able to proceed. This video will provide instructions on what to do after you have completed the online portion of the transaction. Next, you will confirm your request for prints, submit your payment, and print your confirmation form that you will need to bring with you to your print site. Once you have completed your prints, please monitor your email. If you have not received notification of your fingerprint clearance within 5 business days, please contact us via email at recruit@lausd.net. If you encounter any issues with your prints, please refer back to the 5-minute training video on next steps and how to make an appointment to reprint by revisiting the following link. You're all done for today. Thank you for joining me.